are going to learn a new topic, parallel lines and triangles. So look at this figure. A, X and B, Y. Okay. So join the slanted line BAB and also BC. Okay. And here this angle A is given 50 degree. Okay. Angle A is 50 degree and this angle is also given 70 degree. Okay. ABC. Angle ABC is given 70 degree. And this angle, which means ABY, also given 60 degree. Okay. Angle ABY is given 60 degree. And so what is the angle ACB? What is this angle? How much is the angle ACB? ACB. How much is the angle ACB? So here look at the line AC and BY. So AC and BY. Here the AC and BY are the parallel lines and the line BC is cut down. Okay. So these are the angles. Which angle? What is the name of these angles? These are the alternate angle. So this and this are the alternate angle, which means ACB and CBY are the alternate angles. So ACB is how much? 60 degree. Then ACB and CBY. ACB and CBY. This angle is what? 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Look at this triangle. Here A, B, C. A is given 40 degree and the B is 16 degrees given. Okay. Here in the triangle ABC, angle A is given 40 degree and the angle B is also given what? 60 degree. Okay. So I extend the line AC to X. Okay. And also draw a line from B which are parallel to AC. Okay. So this is Y, BY. So from this figure, here we know, so ABY. So how much is the angle ABY? ABY. How much? Here ABY, this angle, this total angle is how much? So when we subtract 40 degree from 180 degree, we get the angle ABY. Okay. So the angle ABY is 180 degree minus this 40 degree. So we get 140 degree. So the ABY, this total angle is 140 degree. Okay. So what is this angle? CBY. This angle, the total ABY is 140. Then when we subtract 60 degree from 140, we get the angle CBY. So CBY is 140 degree minus 60 degree, we get 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree. Okay. This angle is 80 degree. And we know AC and BY are parallel lines and BC cut down. So this angle and this angle are alternate angles. So this angle should be ACB should be what? 80 degree. Okay. ACB should be 80 degree. Okay. And ACB and CBY. Okay. ACB and angle CBY equal to 80 degree. 80 degree. And look at this triangle. Look at the another triangle here. So look at this triangle. like this. So look at the triangle, look at this triangle. Here we just change the angles to a letter. Here 40 degrees, so here we take A degree, and 60 degree, instead of 60 we use B degree, and instead of 80 we use C degree. And here also what? Here also 80, here also C degree, okay? And look at here, the A is, here angle A is 40 degree. So here the angle A is what? A degree. And also here angle B is 16 degree, and here angle B is B degree, okay? And also this angle, not B degree, and ABY. ABY is, angle ABY is, so angle B is B. And angle ABY is, what is angle ABY? Here angle ABY is 140, which means 16 plus 80. So ABY is B plus C, B degree plus C degree. Okay. Then when we add angle A plus angle ABY, okay. So here when we add 40 degree plus 60, this angle A plus angle B, angle ABY. Here when we add angle A plus angle ABY, okay, angle A plus angle ABY. Here the angle A is 40 degree, and the angle ABY is 16 plus 80, which means 140. We get 180 degree, okay. So like this, here angle A is A plus angle ABY is B plus C, okay, B plus C, which means 180 degree, okay. Okay, so from this we can understand the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So here 14 plus 16 plus 80 is 180. So the sum, from this we can understand the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree, okay. So these are the today's class. So the principle is, from this we reach a principle, once more from this we reach a principle, the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree, okay. This is the proof for the principle, okay. And I hope all of you understand. So this is our last section or the last topic of the second chapter. So our chapter is over. So I hope all of you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.